Hey guys, Tyler Tom here. I'm back with another video. This one's gonna be another review, EDC review, and EDC stands for Everyday Carry. And yeah, let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you what I carry on my person just about every day. I don't leave the house without it. I carry it with me every day, and yeah. Without, I guess, further ado, let's get into it. I think my last video it was, or a couple videos ago, I don't know, a video, I don't know, Altoid Survival 10, really good. Or a couple videos ago, I talked about this. I done a review on this. Once again, some electrical tape. I carry that with me everywhere. You never know when something's gonna happen. Got my Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. Ooh, shit, almost dropped it. I carry that with me. Carry a Zippo lighter. Let's see if I can get this open. Zippo lighter. Don't smoke. I don't smoke. I just carry this with me. I like Ford. I live in the South. Just about everybody here. Just about everybody out here's got a pickup truck. I like Ford. Personally, I don't have a car. I wish I did. I don't. I carry a SOG traction. Carry this with me. Carry a lot of knives. I love knives. If y'all can't tell. I carry my keys with me. I don't have a car, but I have my house key. I have a little can up. I think they call it P90 can opener. I have a shed key, and I have a key knife. It's a solid key knife. Smack it on there. That's for doctor's offices, you know, or libraries or something like that. You know, said you can't carry a knife. Well, you know, I got that on. You know, they can't tell. It's in my pocket. Right there. And I don't recommend going and breaking the rules of a business. That's just me. I don't, you know. I like to carry my knives. You know, there's a sign up says I can't carry knives. So I take my knives off and I carry that. I like having protection with me. I'm not saying going to go and break the rules of a business. You know, that's their business. You obey the rules. That's just me. That's what I do. Now, I think I did a review on this one. Another one I had, it's just like this. I've been carrying this for about a week now. A little bit, not as long as that, I don't think. Smith & Wesson M&P. There's a hard case right there. Nice belt clip. I carry this on me everywhere I go. And that's my everyday carry. Oh, and hold on, let me take these off. You have my watch. And a paracord bracelet that I wear. That's what I carry on me every day, along with my phone. That's it right there, guys. If y'all like videos like this, hit the subscribe button, outdoor videos, reviews, anything like that. If y'all like this video, hit the thumbs up button. It's greatly appreciated. If y'all made it this far in the video and finished it, I thank y'all. It really helps. But yeah. Thank y'all for clicking on the video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one, guys.